Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Wikipedia LTI for Canvas. This tool allows you to embed a Wikipedia article any place that you can use the rich content editor. And the advantage of this is you can direct students exactly where you want them to go instead of simply saying, go find an article on whatever subject it might be. So this lets you direct the students where you want them to go. And it's very easy to use. You're going to find the plugin right here. You're going to click the arrow to the right of the plugin. And from there, you're going to select Wikipedia. If Wikipedia is not shown, you can select View All, and the tools are listed alphabetically, so you can simply then find Wikipedia and you can click on that. And what happens is it brings up, if you will, a miniature version of Wikipedia that you can search. So let's say that I want to put an article in about the Chicago Cubs. So I can say Chicago Cubs and I can search. And when I search, it gives me various articles related to the Cubs. But let's say I just want the most general article right here. I can preview that article if I would like. So I can click preview. It's going to open a new tab right here, and it's going to give me the article in Wikipedia itself. And then from here, I can choose link, which is just going to return a link. So I don't want that. I want embed. And if I click embed, what's going to happen is that article is going to be embedded into Canvas itself, so that now the students will be able to read that article from within Canvas and be able to click on any links that are a part of that article. At that point, you should be set. You can scroll to the bottom of the page and you can click save, and the article is set for viewing on a mobile device. However, if you know that your students are going to be accessing on something like a laptop, you might want to take this tip. It's a little bit more advanced, but it might help set up for those students who you know are going to be viewing on a laptop. In that case, you can press the little brackets right here. This will take you into the HTML. It may look like a foreign language, but all you need to do is simply edit the width right here where it says 500. So let's make that something like 800. And then we're going to click the brackets and go back over, and now see how much wider the article is, and I can click save. At GCSC, for our students in grades 3 through 12, we know they're using laptops, so this might be a solution that you would want to use. You also could increase the height if you would like the article to be a little bit taller on the page as well. Hopefully that shows you how to embed a Wikipedia article. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know.